Okay guys, 2024 has started. I told you I was gonna post this video. If you don't watch any other video I make, you need to watch this video. This video is the basis of how real estate developers make money. So first and foremost, the thing I always tell you guys about is know and understand zoning. But I think a lot of people don't know, Kenny, what does that mean, know and understand zoning? Zoning is how you make your money. So land, first of all, land is valued based upon what you can put on the land. And what dictates what you can put on the land is zoning. Here's a quick example. If I have one lot on one side of the street, and it's zoned for single family, and I have another lot on the other side of the street, the exact same size, but it's zoned for multifamily. The most expensive, best single family house that I can fit on the one lot is $500,000. And let's say on the multifamily lot, I can get 4 units, but each one of those will be worth $350,000. If you look at the value of what you can put on the land, which piece of property is obviously worth more. So what you need to do is understand where zoning helps you put more on a lot. And how you figure that out is understanding zoning. So this is going to be the first step. This is what you're going to do as a catalyst to help you understand. What you're going to do, wherever you live, wherever it is in the country, I want you to go Google zoning ordinance for in the city or county that you're looking to do real estate development in. And what's going to happen, there's going to be a link that comes up and it's going to point you to the zoning ordinance for that city or town. All zoning is a little bit different, but it follows the same kind of categories to help you out. So what you're going to have in there are zoning districts. And you're usually going to have residential districts. You're going to have multifamily districts. You're going to have commercial districts. And those commercial districts may be separated to industrial and to other things. We're going to stick with residential districts first. So what I want you to do is I want you to go and open. It's going to give you a list of residential districts. They are all not made the same. The residential district is going to give you the rules to say how big a lot has to be, okay? How much of the lot that you can cover and how tall you can go on the lot and the number of residences or the density that you can fit on that lot. So if you're a wholesaler or a flipper and you get a real estate deal brought to you and you call me and I ask you, what's the zoning? You can say residential. That could mean 10 different things. So for instance, when you look up your residential zoning, also what it's going to give you is uses. So under the uses, it's going to tell you what by the zoning that exists can be put on that lot. Now, in residential zoning, sometimes you can put just single family. Some zoning districts that are residential, you can put a duplex. Some a triplex, some a quadruplex, and some what's called multifamily. So what you want to do is exploit and look for the zoning districts in your area where you can fit more than a single family. Here's why. And you won't know by looking at a house what something's zoned. You can have a wholesale deal come to you and you might look at the deal and say, okay, they want $300,000 for this house, but fixed, it's going to be worth $450, but it's going to cost $125 to fix it. I don't want to do this deal. But if you look at the underlying zoning, you may find out, hey, it's zoned so I can put 4 units on this same lot. Each one of those 4 units will sell for $350. So that's what, $1.3 million. So it's more fortuitous for me to bulldoze the house and start over again and build 4 new units. But unless you know your zoning, you won't understand that. So what you're going to do is after you download your zoning, you are going to identify every residential district that will allow you to do more than a single family. And then you're going to target your search. You're going to understand that the first question you always ask when you have a piece of real estate put in front of you is, what is it zoned? Because you're going to have information that everybody else doesn't have. I'm telling you, if you are a wholesaler And some wholesalers have taken my class going to be so mad because I gave this information out, because usually you have to be in my class to get this information. This, however, is the key to you making way more money in real estate. Now, if you want to dig deeper and understand more about zoning, then you need to check out my Instagram page and see I have both boot camps and mentorships coming up that will teach you guys a lot more about real estate development. But that's it for now. This piece of information, guys, if no other piece of information you look at or see for 2024, if you want to be a real estate developer, you understanding zoning will change the way you make money with real estate. That's it, guys. Please, if you like this video, subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.